In this video, we'll show you how to block apps from accessing internet on your Android device. Blocking certain apps from accessing internet on your phone is to make sure that the app's data stays offline on your device at all times. Here's how to restrict apps from accessing the internet on your Android phone. Open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to find the Apps option. Now tap on See All Apps. Find the app you want to block internet access. Tap on it. Now select the Data Usage option. You will find two toggles here. You can also choose to disable background data only. The app will no longer have access to an internet connection on your phone. Hopefully, this video has helped you in blocking internet access for certain apps on your Android. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.